Do you want to add a view product on Instagram posts? You can add product details in an Instagram post with your photo with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add view product on Instagram post. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Adding a view product tag to your Instagram post allows you to link products directly to your posts, making it easier for your followers to learn more about the products and purchase them. This feature is a great way to increase product visibility and drive sales through Instagram. To add a view product tag on an Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, start by creating a new post as you normally would by tapping on the plus icon. Now, select the photo of the product you want to sell on your Instagram post. Currently, this feature is not available for video. Once selected, tap the next button. Edit your post by adding music, filters, and more. Once satisfied, tap the next button again. Now, write a caption for your post. Scroll down the screen, and you will see the Add Product Details option. This feature is not available to all users and regions. If this option is not available to you, please switch your personal account to a business account and update the Instagram app to the latest version. Tap on it to add the view product tag to your post. A new screen will appear to add your product details. Now, type the name of the product in the text box. Below the product name, enter the price at which you want to sell the product on Instagram. You can change the currency if needed by tapping on Change Currency. Once you have added the product details, tap the Done button. Now, complete any additional post settings and tap the Share button to post your photo with the View Product button on Instagram. Once you post, your friends and followers can see the view product tag and place an order to buy. You will receive a message about the order. By following these simple steps, you can easily add view product tags to your Instagram posts, making it easier for your followers to shop directly from your posts.